Now in this table you can see that in first column backslash characters are there uh, using backslash, and then one alphabet is there or some special symbol is there, and second column indicates use of this backslash character, and there is ASCII value. Okay, so as we know that each character is assigned a numerical value, okay, and that is unique for all. And ASCII is what? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so here you can see that the first is null value, that is /0. Then when we use /a, then it is an audible alert. Then for backspace, horizontal tab /t, that we are going to use in our program, and you will find its output. This is /t. Then /n to insert a new line in your program. Then /v is vertical tab. This is form feed. This is carriage return. This is to insert double quote. This is single quote, question mark, and backslash itself. Two backslash means backslash itself. So now in next topic, this is symbolic constant. This type of program we have seen to find area of circle. Okay, in that program we have defined pi, value of pi, using hash define, then identifier, that is name given to that symbolic constant. So this is name. So we have used name pi, and in value we have given value 3.14. Okay, so this is that example. Then same way, if you want to create a name to a value, for example 100, okay, and max value is identifier that we are giving to this value 100. Okay, so in our program whenever we use max value, then automatically it will take value 100. Same way, hash define f and float. So when we are creating a variable, we are giving data type. Okay, we are assigning a data type. So for that we are typing int for integer, float float, like that. So if we want to replace it with some other name, for example, whenever we write f, and it should be considered as float. So when we use it like this, hash define f, this is identify name, and value is float. So in our program, whenever we want to create a variable with float data type, at that time we are supposed to write f only instead of the whole word float. Now since this is called preprocessor directive hash, okay, the preprocessor directive statement instructs the compiler that the occurrences of the symbolic constant used in program should be replaced by the constant values specified in the definition. So when we run our program, okay, compile first GCC command, we are compiling it. Okay, so when we compile our program, in our program, wherever that compiler will find pi or max value or f, it will replace it with this value wherever it is, okay, before generating the output. That is why it is called preprocessor directive statement. So now let's see this program, okay, wherein we have used f for float, p for printf, s for scanf, and pi for pi.